I used to think math was just about numbers, but word problems told a completely different story. The longer and more complicated they got, the more lost I felt, as if I was trying to solve a puzzle without understanding the rules. I'll read the same question over and over again, unsure of where to even begin. It wasn't just about getting the wrong answer. It was the overwhelming feeling that maybe I just wasn't capable of solving the hardest questions. I have been with my schedule since primary 2, and along the way, I've met many dedicated teachers who patiently guided me through different components and topics in every subject. Over the years, I faced many challenges, whether in English, math, or science, but my teachers were always there, supporting me unconditionally until I truly understood each concept. When I received my Prelims results last year, I felt deeply disappointed because they did not meet my goals. For a moment, I doubted myself again. But with the help of my teachers, I began to understand my mistakes and worked hard to improve in time for my PSLE. During the Last Lap Bootcamp, the detailed explanations of difficult components made a huge difference. Among all the subjects, the Math Bootcamp helped me the most. Word problems which once felt impossible became something I could break down step by step with confidence. I improved from an AL3 in my prelims to an AL1 in my PSLE. For science, the bootcamp also helped me improve in a different way. I learned how to carefully analyze each question and structure my answers more clearly, especially for open-ended questions. Instead of giving short or incomplete responses, I became more precise in using the correct keywords and explaining my reasoning. This allowed me to express my understanding more effectively and earn the marks I used to miss, improving from an AL2 in my prelims to an AL1 in my PSLE. This journey has taught me that struggling does not mean you're incapable. It means you're learning. With the right guidance, support, and perseverance, improvement is always possible. If I were to describe my PSLE journey in one word, I would say that this journey has been eventful. I've had my fair share of ups and downs through this journey, but I am glad to say that it all went well in the end. My schedule has truly sharpened my abilities and helped me achieve my goals. Without the dedication of my teachers, I will not be standing here today. I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to all my teachers who have guided me through every step of the way. Thank you for all your guidance and unwavering support. I truly appreciate it.